Hi everybody, welcome to HomeAuto video. Today we'd like to teach you how to pair a SOS button. Alright, so how to pair is first you're going to open up. Then you need to insert the battery if the battery is not in. So what we are using here is a CR2032 battery, 3V. Right, so insert it from top down. So when you insert in, you will see this light. Right, how do you set it into a pairing mode? Press this button, hold, you see the red LED. It starts to flash. Alright, let's go back into the app. Right, we are back in the apps. As the LED is blinking, go into the Zigbee hub, add the sub devices, click the link below to add sub devices. Right, if you notice that the LED has changed, that means you're fine. So we have added the SOS button. Okay, location you can add in later. Let's see if it works. So the SOS button. So right now I will press the SOS button. Yeah, so somebody is pressed, and you can actually create automation of this. The timing.